Hello everyone. I extend a very warm welcome to all who are watching this presentation. I am Chavi Sahai. I work as an assistant professor at AISSMS College of Hotel Management and Catering Technology. The topic that we are going to discuss today is the role of housekeeping personnel. The learning objectives of this lecture are: first, to learn about the role of all housekeeping personnel, and second, to learn who reports to whom. We have previously covered the organization chart of the housekeeping department. It has executive housekeeper at the top, then deputy housekeeper and assistant housekeeper. Then we have the supervisor. Depending on the size of the hotel, their number varies. They take care of the floor, public area, linen room, and other areas. And next, we have the room attendants or the linen room attendants and various attendants in all areas of the hotel. First, we would discuss the role of the executive housekeeper. They report to the general manager of the hotel. Usually, we have both men and women working in this department at all levels, be it the executive housekeeper level or the room attendant level. Earlier, this department was dominated by female employees, but now the scenario has changed and we have equal representation of both men and women. Coming back to the role of executive housekeeper, they run the entire department. They are like a director of a movie or say a captain of a ship who stays behind the scene, but their hard work and their leadership is the reason for the team's success. They manage the entire administration of the housekeeping, specifically the financial areas related to the budget, the cost, purchase, among others, and operational areas related to the daily cleaning and maintenance of the entire hotel, and personal functions related to managing of the staff of the entire housekeeping department. Next, we move on to the role of assistant housekeeper. They report to the executive housekeeper. They are placed second in the organization structure. They handle the department in case the executive housekeeper is not present. For the specific role that they perform, it would include things like coordination with other departments like front office and engineering, managing the inventory or the stock of all articles used in housekeeping. They train the staff to improve their productivity and efficiency if the need arises, and they allocate daily tasks to supervisor and staff. For example, in case of a VIP arrival or a arrival of a big group, or in case of a very important function. Next, we come to the supervisors of the housekeeping department. There are various categories of supervisors. First would be a floor supervisor, then a public area supervisor, linen room supervisor, and a laundry manager. They are like the support staff on a movie production. They are not visible, but they are the pillars on whom the department rests. They are the link between the management and the staff. Without them, it would be like having an electronic gadget without any electricity. A more apt example for you would be like having your important cell phone without any charging. Just imagine. So the supervisors are the ones that get the job done. They ensure that the staff adheres to all the housekeeping standards that are set by the hotel. All the supervisor report to the assistant housekeeper. Now we come to the floor supervisor. The role of the floor supervisor would be, first and foremost, to ensure that all the guest rooms are serviced properly and are cleared for the arrival. They inspect the guest room and make sure it is fit in all standards to be let to a guest to ensure that the guest has a comfortable stay. Secondly, they have to ensure the cleanliness of the trolleys and pantries by the room attendant. They supervise the floor attendants and monitor them. They are also responsible for the safety and security of the guest on floors. They maintain the chemicals and equipments, keys, etc. on their floors. Next, we come to the public area supervisor. The public area supervisor has to ensure that all the areas that come under public area, which is the lobby, the restaurants, the banquet halls, are maintained spick and span 24/7. They organize special cleaning of public areas if required. They ensure that flower arrangements are placed in the designated places. They ensure that the banquet hall, etc., is kept ready for functions at proper time. They supervise the public area staff. Next, we come to the linen room supervisor. Linen is one of the most expensive commodities in the hotel, so it is the job of the linen room supervisor to ensure that the linen room and its attendants work efficiently. They coordinate with the laundry about the wash cycle and ensure that the linen is available up on the guest floors and in the public area in a timely manner. Now we discuss about the last supervisor, that is the laundry manager. Laundry manager is responsible for managing the operation of the laundry and its staff. He has to supervise the entire processing of laundry, especially the guest laundry, because the housekeeping department earns revenue from it. And they coordinate with the linen room to ensure that the availability of linen is not hampered at all. Let's take a pause here. We have discussed the role of couple of housekeeping employees, and we are yet to discuss the role of some. Because the housekeeping department is so huge, what do you think makes the department work smoothly? Let's watch a small movie and decide for ourselves. You saw how the boat was going, and so with so many people on it, and they were managing it so efficiently. So what makes it work? First, the teamwork, which helps in rowing the boat. Secondly, the coordination behind maximizing the speed. And thirdly, the leadership behind the right direction. So all these things work in the housekeeping department or any other workplace as well. For us to be successful, all this has to be there to be efficient. Now let's discuss some other roles. Now we come to the last, but certainly not the least important team member of the housekeeping department. Here we do not have any hero or heroines like in the movie, but we have an ensemble cast where every member is important. And in absence of even one, we would not function very well. First amongst the attendants is the room attendant. The room attendant reports to the floor supervisor, and they are responsible for cleaning the guest rooms. Generally in hotel, the room attendant cleans 15 to 20 rooms in a shift. They are responsible for dusting, vacuuming, etc. in the guest room, and they are also responsible for cleaning the corridor, maintaining the trolley and the pantry. Next, we come to the public area attendant, whose job it is to ensure that all the public area is maintained at all times. They report to the public area supervisor. They ensure that public area is smelling fresh, clean, and spick and span 24/7. Next, we come to the linen room attendant, who ensure that all the linen and uniform is sent to the laundry. They report to the linen room supervisor. They are responsible for sorting and stacking the linen and uniform in the linen room. And lastly, we come to the desk attendant, who handles the most important area of the housekeeping, that is the desk. Here, we receive the guest calls, so the desk attendant has to ensure that all the calls are attended promptly. They also note down any maintenance calls regarding any bulb fuse or any plumbing issue anywhere in the hotel. They ensure proper key control is maintained, and they maintain all the housekeeping records. We will discuss about them in the subsequent lectures. And they also maintain the lost and found in the housekeeping control desk. Now, we will quickly summarize what we have covered in today's lecture. We discussed about the organization chart of a hotel. We discussed about the roles of executive housekeeper, assistant housekeeper, various supervisors on the floor, public area, linen room, and the role of the attendants in the public area as well as on the guest floors. Thank you everyone for listening. I hope you enjoyed this presentation. Please follow the link given in the description box to attempt the quiz. I would like to give credit to the following sites from where I sourced some material in preparing this presentation. Thank you once again for listening.